Alright YouTube, Mountainous here, and I got something to show you. I'm walking outside of my door. Here's the 15 stairs. I want to show you how much snow we got. So I get to the bottom of the 15 stairs. Yeah, baby. 10 feet deep of snow right outside my door. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the snow from the outside. I just got to the bottom of the stairs. You take a couple steps up these snow stairs I made, and it's at least 6 feet deep where I'm walking. I'm going to show you behind me now. Alright guys, there's my doorway back there. That's about 6 foot of packed snow. And this 2-story house next to me, the snow in the back is almost up to the roof on the 2nd-story house. That snow you're looking at right there in my yard is easily 10 to 12 feet deep. Now I'm going to show you the front yard. Alright guys, you can see the town is packed full of people. But the snow in my yard, easily 10 to 15 feet depending on where the area is. Filming it won't do it justice, but you can see how the cars and how big the yard is. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you when I get home from work. I have to climb this like 15-foot hill of snow, and I'm walking on deep snow right here, and I'm going to have the camera switched around for the next angle, and I'm going to walk into my doorway and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, here we go. Back to my door. You can see the 2nd-story roof there and how deep it is. And then you have to look down. And I got stairs that are about easily a foot. And we'll go down the stairs. And you can get into my doorway to go up the stairs into my unit. But if I turn around, there's the ground. It's about a 2-foot stair, and then there's the wall of snow right outside of my door. It's ridiculous. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby, February 23rd, monster storm, Mount Hood, Oregon. They're calling for 4 feet of snow in 3 days. Freaking huge, baby. Mountainous out.